we should be back live here. So if Nasdaq really breaks below 60, I think it's going to come back to at least 20,900 today. So I'm just waiting for it to see if it's really going to break below, to see if DAX is going to follow through. If DAX breaks above 24, it's a long position for me also. Back to at least 50 first time, and then second time we might break above 50 and take it back to 150. If we do not manage to really break above, then I might go for a short position. So getting ready for a long position here. Looks like we're breaking above. I'm buying it here. It's currently trading at 36. I'm buying it because of momentum. Let's see here. I just have a feeling of this is going to push above 50, but let's see. It could also be wrong about this one here. But I'm currently long. I'm currently targeting 50. That's my first TP. So 50, but again, it could get rejected here, so it's a little bit risky. Let's see. I'll exit here at 45. You could just wait a little bit here, just to have your stop loss in place, but I think it's going to come to 50. I just managed to exit my position for DAX at 45. It's currently trading at 46. So if you want, you can exit this one here. So the idea of going long with a break above the opening range, that was actually right. Let's see if it's gonna break above 50. It might. I'll do another long position. But again, this could turn around. So again, very low risk. Trading at 22, 24. I got in a little bit late at 37, I think. And then I say we take it to 50. I know I exit at 40 something. But still managed to make 170 in a couple of seconds. So Nasdaq is also pushing here. Let's see if we're getting rejected at 100. That could potentially be a short opportunity all the way back to 21,000. Could consider taking a short position on the Nasdaq actually, and hold it for some time, because I think we're gonna come back to 21,000 or even lower. But again, we're not here to hope or predict. We're here to trade the market. The UK is also pushing on a 1 minute time frame, but it's kind of like a little bit choppy here. I'm gonna start doing a short here. It looks like it's getting rejected. Nasdaq. Let's see. But again, Nasdaq could easily push to 100 or even higher, okay? So have that in mind. Standing by for a long position is actually holding here. I'm going for a long position. It looks strong in my opinion. Let's see here. Let's just exit here again at 50. I'm not super sure. It's not really risky, I know. But let's just wait for it to actually break above 55. So no break above 55. I'll not take a long position. So no positions currently. Nasdaq is actually pushing a little bit here. I'm gonna go back long here for a long position. I'm buying it here. DAX is trading at 41. Let's see here if it's gonna push. UK looks strong, Nasdaq looks even stronger, but it could potentially sell off. Let's see if it's gonna turn around here or if it's gonna come all the way back. It went up with a good momentum. Every time we see it's going up, it goes up 100 points. So I'm probably only going to target the previous highs of 85. Too risky for me. Exit here. I just exit for another $100. I'm not super confident that this is going to work out. That's why I simply exit my position and I say, okay, I'm just waiting. But again, 47, 48 is not really risky. I know, and we can have a tight stop loss and just hope, but that's not really a strategy. I'll go back long here. It looks like, nope, it's getting rejected here. It's getting rejected. But Nasdaq is just pushing. Nasdaq is really pushing. That could really go higher. I'll do an all long position here. I'm buying it here. Why? It's because we are trading. I'll exit this one here for 108. I just exit with a quick push. So Nasdaq is actually pushing quite amazing. Every time it gets down, it's pushing right up again. Every time it gets down, yeah, it's quite amazing. It just looks super strong, Nasdaq. I'll do another long position here for DAX. DAX looks amazing. I'll exit this long here. Again, just doing some quick scalping here to lock in some money to the bank. Consider doing an all long position here. I will buy it here at highs. Place a stop loss here. Exit again. It's a little bit risky here, but still managed to make 350. So the opening range breakout was actually an amazing idea, but we could get rejected here, and the market could start consolidating. I'm not saying it's going to sell off. I'm just saying it could start, but right now it's just pointing up, so pretty easy going. There is maybe 75 points downside if you do a short now on Nasdaq, but there is also potential of an upside of 370 points. So it's all about what you're willing to risk. Could be a potential short opportunity for DAX. But let's see. I'll buy it here. Again, still long. Let's see if it's gonna push now. Have a tight stop loss. This is not working. Exit again here at 73. Yeah, so a little bit risky here around 75, but just been very low risk. I'll do a short position here. It might be not the best move, but I'm doing it based on Nasdaq is not selling off a little bit. So there is some selling pressure on Nasdaq. And we also got it here on DAX. I'll do a quick short position, and I'll risk on this one here 15 points, something like that. Let's see here. It might push now, and that's the risk of shorting DAX against the trend. I don't think it's gonna turn, but let's see. Yeah, I think it's gonna push. I think it's a long move today. There's nothing that really, it's really pointing down. So Nasdaq is also pushing again. Same for UK. It's a long. Let's see if we can just get down to break even, then I'll exit this one here for break even. So getting ready for exit this one here. Exit now for break even. I don't trust this position, so I exit for break even. So $3. Yeah, it's a long day. I'll do another long position here. It's currently trading at 73. Why? All the other indexes is also pushing. Let's see here if it managed to push further. Move stop loss to 59. Let's see here. I'll exit here again here. Okay, I didn't manage to exit. Now I managed to exit at 79. Just been doing a lot of scalping here currently. So lock in some profits in the bank. Got overall today 530, so 0.6%. By no risk at all. If you've just been holding since opening where I went long, yeah, I know you would have made more and it would have been no risk. But I just keep locking in. Big selling pressure on Nasdaq in 1 minute time frame. Let's see if Nasdaq is going to sell off. If DAX is going to follow through. So things start getting a little rejected here. That could act as a high here. So that was the previous highs. Last time it sold back to 17. So we could potentially go in that direction. But again, It's already dumped. It already sold off a little bit here. Do you have any news today we have to pay attention to? Canadian, nope. US home sales. Okay, there's something coming in here. Euro, not really. But yeah, we don't have that much. I think DAX is potentially gonna sell off. Let's see here. Looks like it might get rejected and it might start selling off here. So I could take a short position here. I'll do a lighter short position here, okay? Nope, I'm not gonna go short. I'm waiting. I didn't do anything. I'm still waiting. It looks like it's gonna push back. Waiting. Things is looking strong for the market. There's no really confirmation, but it might come now. We might see a push. I'll do a long position here. It's a little bit risky. I'm buying it here at 70.69. I'll have a stop loss at 56. Let's see if this is gonna push. I'll exit here at 73. Currently trading at 75. Yeah, I should have hold it. Okay, you could exit if you want, or you could just hold it. Totally made okay today. Managed to make 560. Doing a long position here, but let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look. Could get rejected. It could start selling off. Let's see. This could act as a double top. UK breaks. Nasdaq didn't. Yeah. I think that's it for me. Stopping at 9:18 and just call it. It's a slow morning. I'll see you later. Thank you.